Mac OS X Search and Replace tool with regular expression support. I'm looking for a regular expression-based search/replace GUI tool that is able to handle multiple files/subdirectories, something like grep, but for Mac OS X. PS, I'm aware of grep and I don't need an editor, just a standalone tool. You're probably looking for a GUI app, but I can recommend a terminal command. Perl can do inline replacement. This will find all files under the current directory and replace based on the provided regexp. If you need to change directories, an easy way is to type cd, be sure there's a space after, and then drag and drop a folder from the Finder onto the terminal window. Press return and you'll be in the folder you want, then run the Perl command above. If you want Perl to make backup copies before replacing, run.
Oh, I also just found this. This URL? About find and amp, replace it, a powerful search and replace utility. It allows performing very complex batch replacements inside text files of any size. It supports regular expression syntax and dozens of encodings. It has scripting capabilities which allow transforming on the fly the replacement text for every found string. It even handles batch processing of the encoding of files, as well as of types of end of lines. Here are some key features of Find and AMP, replace it. Find and replace across many files at once, supports regexp, supports many text encodings, provides a regexp editor, provides a Find and AMP, replace preview, offers a scripting interface that allows to transform replacement text on the fly, many more features. It's developed by Dprog, Philippe Decourt. I've never used it, so take this recommendation with a grain of salt.
I understand that you don't need a full editor, but often the best tools are found within one. TextMate has full support for regular expressions and handles files and directories very well. Another that I haven't tried but heard good things about is TextWrangler.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.